This is a squish comparison between the Diva Cup in a size 2 and the Ruby Cup in a size medium. The medium is the larger of the two sizes that the Ruby Cup has to offer. Hello everyone, it's Red Herring. I hope you're having a great day. This is a requested comparison by Effie. I know you already purchased your Ruby Cup and also received it, but I thought that I'd go ahead and do this request anyhow. So I'm going to place both of these cups in the palms of my hands, give them a squish, swap hands, give them a squish again, and then compare the rims. You can see here that there is a difference between the shape and the sizes of these two cups. So I'm going to drop the Ruby Cup down just a little bit so that the bodies actually line up. And then when I compare the rims, I'll move the Ruby Cup back up. So here is the inside of the Diva Cup. Again, this is the size 2 or the large, and inside of the Ruby Cup. And swap hands. Inside of the Ruby Cup. And inside of the Diva Cup. And just the rims. The Ruby Cup is on the left. And that was the Diva Cup in a size large and the Ruby Cup in a size medium.